2015 2500 HD, two codes, P0700 and P0722, P0700. Transmission control system, ML request, and P0722. Output speed sensor circuit, no signal. Underneath the truck to the transfer case. On the back side of the transfer case, there's a little speed sensor. I'll show you what that is. Swap that out. I'm gonna erase these and see what happens. See if we can fix this. Trouble code is cleared. Everything is cleared. So what happened was I went to drive the truck and it wouldn't shift out of second gear. Oops. Again. So I think that this was it. I did a little bit of research. This looked to be the problem, but we'll see. We just gotta drive the truck and see. So if it will shift past second, that's more than what I had found before because I could not get past second gear. Still in first. Let's take a trip down here. Ah, we're in third gear. Woohoo! Beautiful. No check engine light. So that looks to be it. So let me swing back around and I'll show you where this is located. Okay, so here's the output shaft speed sensor. It's right on the back side of the transfer case. See the drive shaft. There's just an 8mm bolt. Take that off, and this connector comes off fairly easily. Pull this gray out, push down, and it comes right off. And then to reset it, pop that back in. This is the hold sensor. There's a little fluid on there from the ATF that's inside of there. But, I mean, visibly it looks fine, but, you know, I'm sure if you're weighing those out, check the resistance across the terminals, you'd see something different than what the new one has. So, but that's it. It's a quick change, and I can get out of second gear, which is awesome. So I can drive the truck again. Hope this helps. Thanks.